Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the layer you want to isolate and clicking the Add Layer Mask button. This creates a non-destructive mask you can refine. Next, choose the brush tool and set size, hardness, and opacity to control transitions. Use black to hide, white to reveal. Once the mask exists, Alt-click the mask thumbnail to view it full screen for detailed painting. This helps you see edges and soft transitions so you can correct problem areas immediately. Now refine the selection. Open Select and Mask to adjust radius, smooth, feather, and contrast for cleaner contours. Use the Refine Edge brush to capture hair or fur. Paint slowly along edges to let Photoshop compute transitions. For tough separations, switch to channels, duplicate the most contrasted channel, apply levels and use it as a mask to generate fine detail. Load it as a selection and convert to a layer mask. Make sure to toggle view mode to preview results against different backgrounds. Finish by cleaning transitions. Apply a subtle Gaussian blur or feather the mask slightly to remove harsh cut lines. This creates a natural blend. Paint with a low opacity brush on the mask to nudge midtones and correct halos. Use Shift to constrain strokes when needed. Once satisfied, unlink the mask to reposition the image independently or invert the mask if you masked the wrong area. If edges look jagged, check mask resolution and anti-aliasing. Increase document size briefly, refine, then scale back down to solve pixelation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.